Hi, welcome to Sunkissed, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this super easy and cute water bottle holder. The weather has been going better and better every day, and I've been going on a lot of more walks and always thinking about bringing my water bottle but not really wanting to hold it like this or bring a separate bag to just carry it with me. I saw a lot of these on Pinterest and I was like, why not try it for myself? So I made this one in this super cute purple color, only using double crochets, single crochets, and the waistcoat stitch for the holder. It's super easy, it's super cute, super adorable, super easy to just put on your shoulder and take it with you anywhere you go. For this project, I'm going to be using this 100% cotton yarn in the color purple and this 4mm crochet hook. To start this project, grab the end of your yarn and wrap it around your fingers, making an X shape like I'm showing in the video. Grab your crochet hook, insert it under the first one and over the second strand of your yarn, make a loop and chain. Now we're going to be adding 8 single crochets into this magic circle. When you have finished putting 8 single crochets into the magic circle, grab the end of your not working yarn and pull it tightly to close the loop. Find the chain 1 of the start of the round and slip stitch to that. To start the next round, we're going to be chaining 3. After the chain 3, we're going to put double crochet into the same stitch. Continue adding double crochets all around the circle, 2 double crochets into every single stitch we have here. When you have finished adding 2 double crochets into every single stitch around your circle, find the top of your chain 3, so 1, 2 and 3, this is the top of your chain 3, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loops you just inserted it, and pull through the loop you have on your hook, and now you have slip stitch to the start of your round. Next round is going to be similar to this one. We start by chaining 3, that works as the first double crochet of the round, and then we put 2 stitches, 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. So we have 1 and we have 1. So we have 2. In the next stitch, we're only going to put 1 double crochet. 1. And and in the following stitch we put 2 double crochets, and we're going to continue this all around the circle. So 2 double crochets into this one means that there's going to be 1 double crochet into the next one, and this means that there's going to be 2 double crochets into the next one. It looks something like this. You can see there's 2, there's 1, there's 2, there's 1, there's 2, and this counts as a double crochet as well. Continue this pattern of 2, then 1, then 2 all around the circle. When you have finished your circle, it looks something like this, and if done properly, you end on an increase. So this is the increase, this is your chain 3. So again, find the top of your chain 3, so that looks like this. This is chain 1, this is chain 2, and this is chain 3. Insert your hook, yarn over, and slip stitch to the start of the round. To start the next round, chain 3, make a double crochet into the next stitch, so that leaves us with 2 double crochets, and do an increase into the next stitch. So an increase means 2 double crochets into the same stitch. And the pattern for this round goes 2 double crochets, and into the third one you put 2. So again, we put 1, and also 1 in the following stitch, and in the third stitch we put 2 double crochets. So the pattern is 1, 1, 2. When you have finished the round, find the top of your chain 3, so 1, 2, and 3. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through the same loop on your hook, and you have finished this round. You can flatten it out, and as this pattern works for any yarn and any hook size, you can start measuring against the bottom of your bottle. So it looks like this. Currently, the bottom that we're making right now, this circle, already fits my bottle, so I'm just going to stop increasing and start working the rows upward. The first row that I'm going to do is going to be a double crochet row. So chain 3 and put 1 double crochet into every stitch around this circle. When you have finished your round, find the top of your chain, so 1, 2, and 3. The chain 3 you did at the start of this row. Insert your hook, yarn over, and slip stitch. I'm going to try this on my bottle to see if it actually fits. And as you can see, it fits around my bottle, so it means we made the right choice of stopping the increases. For this holder, I'm going to keep it simple and just keep doing double crochets in the round for as long as it reaches the top of my bottle. When you have made the desired length for your holder, it's time to start working on the strap. So this is your last row. We're going to chain 1 and then single crochet 5. So 2, 3, and 4. And 5. This is going to be our first row. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn our work. The strap I'm going to be making in the waistcoat stitch, so it's sturdy and doesn't stretch out. So we're going to be working in these little upside down V's from the single crochet row before. Insert your hook in the upside down V. and finish as a single crochet. If you make your single crochet row a bit too tight, it's going to be a little bit harder to get into these. And make sure the second loop you pull up is at the same length as this one, so it's easier for you in the next rows. So finish as a single crochet and continue till the end of the row. Make sure the loops are the same length, single crochet. When you have made your 5 stitches, chain 1 again, turn your work, and again we're going to be working in these upside down V's as you see right here. So insert here, 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 and somewhere in there. And continue this for the desired length of your bottle holder. When you have made the desired length for your strap, we're going to be ready to attach it at the opposite side of where we started, like this. What I'm going to do is take this holder and fold it in half, so half of the strap is on one side and half is on the other side, approximately like this. See the other half here and count the stitches we have. We need 5 stitches, so this is the middle stitch. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we pick one of the last 5 stitches. This one. Insert our hook. If you have a stitch marker, you're free to use a stitch marker. It's going to be a bit easier. And we're going to make the strap even. As you can see, it's not even, so I'm going to take out my hook from this stitch, hold it in place because I don't have a stitch marker, and just straighten it out. So it looks something like this. Insert our hook. Align the edges and just make a slip stitch. Insert into the next one, in the next one here, and just slip stitch the strap and the holder together. Continue that for all of our 5 stitches. So we have something like this. I'm going to make one more because it looks like it's not attached fully. So I'll add one more for the corner. Again, slip stitch, and now you're ready to cut off your yarn and fasten it off, weave in the ends. So I'm going to cut it, yarn over and pull up a loop and pull it through. Pull tightly so it's fixed, and now weave in this end. So for ends short like this, what I like to do is not weave in through the needle first, but weave in through the stitches that I'm going to be using. So we have our few waistcoat stitches here. I will weave in through them, and only then I put the yarn through my needle, so it's easier for me and doesn't fall out in the middle of the process. Hold it a bit and pull it through. You can cut it right here or weave it in a few more times. Again, putting it under the stitches first and only then through the needle. I just find that it makes it easier for me when working with short ends like this one. I think it's going to be all right. I'll just cut this one off. First you pull it a little bit, then you cut it off, and then you pull it back so it disappears between the stitches. Looks something like this. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. So you don't see the slip stitched side. Looks more like the other one. Weave in the end from the start of the row. When you have finished that, your bottle holder is also finished. Double crochet stitches and the strap with waistcoat stitch. Looking like this in this lovely lilac purple color. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to press like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to make this pattern, as it is super easy and super cute. And also don't forget to drink water. Drink some water right now. Do it. I'm watching you. Again, thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!